All right, we are asked to find this simple problem. They say that let s be equal to 3t cubed plus 6t minus 3 be a distance function of a particle at any time t in seconds. Then I say we should find the acceleration after 3 seconds. Solution. Now they gave us distance. Distance, first of all, gave us 3t cubed plus 6t minus 3. Now, before you can find acceleration, you need to find velocity. If you are asked to find velocity, velocity is what? Change in distance over what? Or change in displacement over time. Okay? Or speed. You can call it speed. Speed is what? Change in distance over time. So that means we should differentiate. Differentiating this thing will give you 9t squared plus 6t. So if you are asked to find the velocity at time 3, so the velocity at time 3 will now be equal to what? 9 into 3 squared plus 6 into 3. So which will give you 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 3 times 6 is 18. So if you add both of them, you are going to be getting 99. Okay? That is if we are asked to find velocity. But they say we should find acceleration. So from velocity, I can get acceleration. So therefore, acceleration is what? Change in velocity with time, or the second derivative of what? Of distance with time. So that means to differentiate this one, which will give you 18t plus 6. So therefore, acceleration at time 3 seconds will now give us 18 multiplied by 3, then plus 6. So which is giving me, so 18 multiplied by 3, that is 54. 54 plus 6 to give you what? 60 in what? In meter per second square. So this one is supposed to be in meter per second. Okay? So as simple as that. Now, this is showing you one after the other, but you should know that to move from displacement or distance to acceleration means you are moving twice, because you will first of all get to velocity before you get to acceleration. So that means I'll just go ahead and differentiate this thing 2 times. If I'm the one, I would say that acceleration is simply differentiating this thing 2 times, because I'm moving from what? Speed to from distance to speed first, then from speed to acceleration. So differentiating it 2 times, the first derivative will give us 90. That is multiplied by the power, remove 1 from the power. So 90 squared plus what? 6. So this one is gone. So the second derivative will give you, I think I'm having mistake here, or there's a mistake here. So this should be plus 6, not 60. Sorry, plus 6. Because differentiation of 60 is just 6. So which will give you 81 plus 6. That is 87. So this one is 87, sorry. Okay? So therefore, the second derivative is simply 18t without 6. So differentiation of 6 is 0. So which is just 18 times this, which is 54 in unit per second square. You can put it as unit per second square. Why did I use unit? Because I was not told the unit of the distance. If they say that the distance is in meter, then it's going to be meter per second square. So this one should now be unit per second. Unit per sec. So like I said now, if I'm the one, the shortcut is simply moving from distance to acceleration means I'm moving 2 times. I'm moving to speed, then from speed to acceleration. So differentiating the first time, multiply by the power, remove 1 from the power, you have 90 squared. Differentiation of 60 is simply 6. So this is the first derivative. So the second one, so this one is velocity. So acceleration will give you, differentiate this one again, which will give you 18t. So at that point, will now be 18 into 3. 18 into 3 is simply 54 units per second. As simple as that. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.